We are Pati, Santos and Gonzalo Herrero, and we are here with DE-ALIENATING the Home, a project that we have developed with our architecture students from Central St. Martin's in London.
DE-ALIENATING the Home is a project questioning the meaning of home and how we as architects should redefine this space, the domestic space, through ideas of ecology and well-being.
The role of the home has remained essentially unchanged for hundreds of years, and residential architecture has become quite stagnantly felt. So we consider the fact that as architects we need to rapidly start to think about reorganising the home, questioning the relationships between rooms, also questioning what objects fit in which room. We all know the sofa designates the living room, the bed designates the bedroom, but what if we question these objects? What if we start to think of the sofa as a communal space and a guest bedroom and a workspace?
Through this installation, we really tried to question and explore the connection between nature and domestic spaces and the home, and how they impact mental health and well-being in domestic spaces. And really wanted to avoid using plastics, and for instance, how can materials and structural materials have play a role when it comes to nature in the home and well-being. That's why we used timber and tried to avoid plastics as well.